Today we are looking at a Davis roller mill. This is a 10 by 10. The rolls are 10 inches in diameter, 10 inches wide. It has a coarse corrugation. This is a Davis crimper cracker. It would do a great job on corn, soybeans. It would crimp oats. This unit is completely rebuilt in excellent condition. It's ready to run as good as a new one and not cost near as much. I'm just going to do a walk around of this unit so you can see it before we bag it up, keep the dust off of it, and put it into storage. It's on this nice stand that brings the unit up off of the ground. Makes it so you can put an auger underneath of it or put in a chute that leads to a drag conveyor or whatever you are using to convey the ground product out from underneath of it. It's got a full set of safety shields. The discharge height from the top of the pallet up to the bottom of the discharge is 17 inches. All of the controls are free on this unit. We can adjust the roll gap with this lever here. And then we have a feed control gate right there. This unit also has scalping magnets. It ensures that no nails, bolts, or anything metal goes through your machine and damages your rolls. This unit is ready to perform as good as a new one. Here at Commodity Traders International, we sell a wide variety of seed, feed, and milling machinery. Thank you for watching.